Hi everyone, this video is about the what is nature positive and why is it the key to our future. In G7 leaders called for the world to become net zero and nature positive. Nature positive means enhancing the resilience of our planet and societies to halt and reverse nature loss. It has become movement with leaders from government, businesses, and civil societies committing to action. G7 leaders recently announced that our world must not only become net zero but also nature positive for the benefit of both people and the planet. This represents a real paradigm shift in low nations business. Investors and consumers view nature in the past. The mantra among a growing number of inspired leaders has been to do less harm, to reduce impact, and to treat lightly across to our world. Of course, this mantra remains, but now there's a new worldwide gathering. Space, nature, positive. This asks, what if we go beyond damage limitation? What if uh, our economic activities not only minimize impact but also enhance ecosystem. A nature positive approach enriches biodiversity, stores carbon, purifies water, and reduces pandemic risk. In short, a nature positive approach enhances the resilience of our planet and society. Nature positive is a disruptive idea. It forces us to think differently about our place in the world. It's a destination for humanity. It's a foundation for good governance, long-term stable societies, and healthy economics. It's a philosophy that values of our economic nature, and it's a new business model based on regeneration, resilience, and recirculation, not destruction and pollution. A nature positive goal is not seem to be realized many generations from now, but it's a goal for the next decade and it's increasingly important. Farming or fishing, mining, and deforestation have now reached such a scale that they are reducing the resilience of the biosphere. The thin veil on the surface of the earth where life thrives, about half of the habitable land on earth is used for farming, resulting in the world's single largest source of greenhouse gases and ecosystem destruction. We are also exceeding planetary boundaries, creating a dual nature and climate emergency. A mature, positive approach contributes to solving both at its heart. The goal is to halt and reverse the destruction of the nature by 2030 with a full recovery of a resilient biosphere by 2050. Momentum for a nature positive guiding star is building day by day. In addition to G7, 88 heads of state uh, have signed the Leaders Pledge for nature to reverse loss of biodiversity by 2030. It is also a goal supported by 126 Nobel laureates in our planet. Our future statement: more than 700 businesses have called for nations to reverse loss of nature as soon as possible. In the finance sector, the new task force on nature-related financial disclosures will help direct investments towards a nature, positive future, and faith and youth leaders have issued many manifestos calling for this decade points toward living in harmony with nature.